Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. I just have two DIYs for you guys today. They are Shabby Chic Valentine's Day themed. So I had this sign that I made for our bathroom a while back, and it just doesn't really go with my decor anymore. So it used to go like on the back of the toilet. But anyway, I'm taking this old brush and just brushing over till you can't see the words anymore, and then just leaving it kind of like a whitewash dry brush like towards the edges. And I think it looks really cute for the background for this flower heart. So you can use any fabric for fabric flowers, but what I'm using is just some old fabric that I had a really long time ago. Um, I think I got it from Hobby Lobby like years and years ago. It's like a really thick, almost like canvas. I don't know exactly what you call it, but see if you can see what I'm doing here, hopefully. Because I'm pretty new to this, but I'll try to explain it the best I can, but you just have to watch. It's the easiest way. So I just folded it down at the top, and then you're gonna keep it like in half lengthwise the whole way. So you just start twisting it around itself, and you want to use a lot of hot glue, like almost every turn, because you don't want your flower falling apart if you're not using a base piece to put underneath it. Anyway, I just used a bunch of glue, and I just go round and round and keep twisting and twisting. Like, the more you twist it, the thinner and flatter your flower is going to be, and the less you twist it, it's going to be more of like a thicker. Anyway, you see what's going on here. So I had a lot of practice. I'm actually showing you the last one I did once I got the hang of it better. This did end up taking me a lot longer than I had anticipated. It was not as long as it took me to do the wreath in the last video, but it was at least 39 years. So anyway, it took a really long time, but I really like how it turned out in the end. So once you get to the end, you want to use the little piece left over, and just glue that to the back of the flower. I used a lot of glue and just squish that right down into the back of the flower. Next, I just arranged all of the flowers onto the board to look like a heart. I wasn't like perfectly pleased with the shape of it, but that's the best I could do with these things. I actually had to keep making more and more. And I don't know, maybe if they were a little bit different size, they didn't fit completely perfectly, like all squished together like I was imagining, but I think it did still come out cute. For our next DIY, I made this little shabby chic type thing and I'm just using this old piece of wood, kind of like a shadow box. I think it was originally from Michael's. I had done previous projects on it, and I just ripped everything off of it. And then I'm taking some of this old music paper that I had from my old songbook that I found at the thrift shop, just ripping up some pieces and Mod Podging that all onto the front until it's completely covered. Once I had the whole thing covered, I just let that dry for a little while, and then I just used some hot glue and some twine to make the shape of a heart. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who wished us well in getting over our terrible colds. We are doing a little bit better, but we're not out of the woods yet, so still continue to keep us in your thoughts and prayers as we're getting better. Bree is definitely pretty cranky, but we're getting there. My camera stopped recording for some reason, but I just hot glued these little rosette thingies on here, and I think they were from Hobby Lobby or Walmart originally, and they came like in a big pack with a bunch. Then I'm taking some more of that distress ink from Hobby Lobby, and rubbing that on the edges and then just rubbing around with my finger. Um, because there's Mod Podge over the top of this, it makes it a little bit slippery so that I'm able to smear it around. And I really like the effect that it gives of making it look older. And then I also just went around the outside edges and over top of the heart and the flowers, and that was all I did for this one. I thought it turned out really cute. Like so simple to make, but still looks really shabby chic, and I think it's really pretty. Ah, you love Big Teddy? Aw. You love Big Teddy? Oh. Ah. What are you doing? Wow! Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIYs like these, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!